All right, at 6:45 on this last Tuesday of 2021, a trifecta of winter storms we're watching this week, at least winter systems. Watching out for some freezing rain and some ice accumulations across Des Moines this morning. Might see some snow across the metro tomorrow. And then to cap it all off, might see a bigger system to ring in 2022. Current temperatures right around the freezing mark. Again, that's kind of an issue if we're talking freezing rain. It's 31 in Des Moines, 30 in Newton, a little bit cooler up north, 26 in Marshalltown and Iowa Falls. For Dodge, you're the cool spot in Webster County at 25 this morning. All this mixed precipitation is slowly drifting its way northeastward. I didn't have the radar and animation here. We can still see it's on its way northeastward. Might even see some snow down in Wapello County and Ottumwa. Some mixed precipitation, some ice possibly in Centerville and in Lamoni this morning. Let's time all this out with Futurecast. This is the rapid update model, so let's kind of roll this through pretty slowly here. 7:30. I think this is when Des Moines action is probably going to kick off after 7, but probably before 8 o'clock this morning. And it's going to continue through here. We'll stop at 8:30. Probably the heaviest batch is going to come down between 8 and 9 a.m. Jasper County might see it hanging around a little bit longer because here's 9:30. Still hanging around in Des Moines. Marshalltown, you're probably seeing a mix of some snow and ice by then at 9:30. And still ongoing in Jasper and Poweshiek counties through 10 a.m. Here's 10:30. Here's 11 o'clock. We'll stop it. Some snow up in Hardin and Franklin counties for Iowa Falls and 31 in Ames by that. I bring up the temperatures because they'll be slow to rise this morning, which is kind of a problem when you're talking about ice. Let's talk about tomorrow's system now. Here's a pretty narrow strip of some snow that's going to arrive here in the late morning or early afternoon hours. Temperatures well below freezing, so this will all be snow tomorrow. We'll stop it here at 2:30. We still got some snow ongoing across much of central Iowa. I-80 might be kind of the snow bullseye for this system. Some places could see at or over 2 inches of snow just because of how long it's going to hang around. We'll go between 1 inch and 2 inches here in Des Moines, as we will with Perry and in Atlantic for tomorrow. Then there's system number 3. This might be the biggest one of them all. This is a New Year's Day system. It'll eject over the Rockies into the plains over Saturday afternoon. Here's Saturday at 1:30. You can see the low pressure will be down into the Ohio Valley region. That means the snow is on the north side of the low, and yeah, we're on the north side of the low. So that we could be seeing, some of the models want to paint some significant snowfall totals from that system. I showed this graphic yesterday because the European model disagreed with the American in bringing some pretty heavy snowfall across Iowa. Now the European has changed its mind, bringing some snowfall potentially back into the state for Saturday. No matter what, we're going to see a very frigid start to the new year. By far the coldest year we've seen so far. How cold? Yeah. Look at that low temperature on New Year's night. -6 degrees and highs in the teens for both Saturday and Sunday. Here's your Holt Plumbing and Heating 10-day forecast. After this mayhem, if you will, this week with 3 different chances with wintry precipitation, we are calming down for the first work week of 2021. Shanu.